In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the ChatGPT message history. Managing your online data privacy is crucial, and ensuring your message history remains confidential can help protect your personal information. We're going to walk you through the steps to archive your ChatGPT messages quickly and efficiently. So let's get started. First things first, let's head over to Google. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, type in ChatGPT into the search bar. This will lead you to the main ChatGPT website where we'll be doing most of our work today. After typing in ChatGPT, hit Enter, and you should see a list of search results. The official website link should be right at the top, so go ahead and click on the ChatGPT website link. This will bring you directly to the ChatGPT homepage. Once on the ChatGPT website, look towards the lower left corner of the page. You'll find your profile icon there. Click on the profile icon to reveal some options. And from those options, we want to go into Settings. The Settings menu is where we can make adjustments to how ChatGPT handles your data. Inside the settings, you'll see an option labeled Data Controls. Click on Data Controls, and this will lead you to the section where you can manage your message archives and other data preferences. In the Data Controls menu, you'll see an option to Archive All. This is the action that will hide your message history. Clicking Archive All will move your message history into an archive, making it inaccessible from regular views but safely stored within your account. After you've clicked Archive All, it's important to confirm this action. The interface will prompt you to confirm archive before it proceeds with archiving your messages. Make sure to click on Confirm Archive to finalize the action and secure your message history effectively. And there you have it. Your ChatGPT message history is now archived. Remember, this action keeps your data secure while maintaining the flexibility to retrieve it if necessary in the future. It is always a good idea to manage your data actively and be aware of the privacy settings available to you. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on hiding the ChatGPT message history. We hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more informative content and feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Have a great day.